stop what you're doing. Did Harry and Meghan just get ghosted by the American dream? Let's talk about it. Remember 2020? The Duke and Duchess of Sussex rolled into Hollywood like they owned the block. Fresh off ditching the royal family, they landed a massive gold-plated Netflix deal and promised us all kinds of inspirational TV. And hey, people watched. Their 2022 docuseries was a massive hit, pulling in over 70 million views. But after that, crickets. Shows about polo and world leaders just didn't catch fire. By 2025, Netflix didn't renew the deal, and their Spotify podcast quietly faded away. Turns out, Hollywood is a lot harder than it looks. As one cultural historian put it, everybody in LA thinks that if movie stars can make it, they can too. Spoiler alert, most people don't. Even rich and powerful people find out the hard way that a fancy title doesn't automatically buy you a box office smash. So what's next? Word is out that Harry, Meghan, and the kids are packing up their Montecito mansion and heading back across the pond to England just in time for school to start. Now, their team is swearing up and down that this is just a long vacation for the autumn. They're keeping their $14.5 million California house, so they aren't totally ghosting the US just yet. Plus, Meghan still has a cameo in an upcoming Amazon movie and is chatting about a role on Netflix's The Gentleman. Some Hollywood insiders actually think this is a genius pivot. Reality TV vet Spencer Pratt pointed out that UK tax breaks are looking mighty sweet right now. And hey, filming out of actual castles beats renting a soundstage any day. Maybe we'll even get a new show called With Love, Meghan and Harry, Back to the Pond. So, is this a total Hollywood failure or just a plot twist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.